Hello friends, my name is Nakul. I hope you all are doing great and welcome back on my channel. Today we will talk about some tablet options which are suitable for students. So let's begin the video. In a previous video, we talked about some laptop options which are suitable for students, and in that video I suggested that if you don't have to perform very complex and heavy tasks, and if you are looking for a more compact device which is easy to carry and fun to use, then you can opt for a tablet. If you haven't watched that video and if you are interested, I will provide the link to that video in the description down below. You can go and check it out from there. In this video, we will talk about 5 tablet options which are good for performing basic tasks such as media consumption, internet browsing, online classes, note taking, etc. The first product is the Apple's iPad 8th generation, and in my opinion it is the most powerful tablet you can buy in the budget category. Surely it has an outdated design and it is just the entry-level iPad, but it is more powerful than most tablets you can buy in the market at this price point. It has a 10.2-inch Full HD display and it is a very good size for a tablet. It is also easy to carry and has a very good build quality. It runs on the latest iPad OS 14 and inside you get the Apple's A12 Bionic chip, and this is what makes this tablet such a wonderful and high performing tablet. You can throw any task at it and it will run it so smoothly without any lag or slowdown. It has a good battery life. It will last you easily for 1.5 to 2 days even if you are a high usage person. It has 2 cameras, a 1.2 megapixel front facing selfie camera and 8 megapixel primary camera, and both of these cameras are pretty average. However, they are more than capable of video calling and scanning the documents. iPad OS has large library of apps and games which you can download for fun and for productivity. You also get the support of Apple Pencil first generation with the iPad, which makes the note taking so much fun and so much easy. However, the biggest disadvantage of the iPad is that you don't get any accessories free with the package. You have to buy them separately and they are very costly. If you want to buy the Apple Pencil, it will cost you additional 8500 rupees, and if you add more accessories, they will cost you even more. However, you can purchase third-party accessories from the market. For example, you can get Bluetooth keyboard, mouse or even stylus from third parties and they will cost you less. However, in my opinion, the best performance you can get is from Apple accessories and products. The cost of this iPad is around 30,000 rupees, but it is for the 32GB variant, and in my opinion it is way too less and you should get at least 64GB internal storage, especially with a tablet. However, there is also an option of 128GB variant which you can buy and it will cost you around 38,000 rupees, and if your budget allows, I would recommend you to get that one. This product is Lenovo's Yoga Smart Tablet, which is an Android based tablet. It comes with a 10.1-inch Full HD display and its design looks very premium, and you even get a built-in stand. It has an internal storage of 64GB, which is surely manageable, and you can even expand it up to 256GB. You get 4GB of RAM with it, which is sufficient for running all your tasks smoothly. It runs on Android 9. However, it isn't made for running heavy and complex tasks and for playing heavy games. It even heats sometimes with prolonged usage. You get a very good battery life with this tablet, and you get a big 7000 mAh battery with this tablet. It has 2 cameras, 8 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel front facing selfie camera, both of which are pretty average cameras. The biggest advantage of this tablet is its speakers. You get JBL speakers with this tablet, which makes the media consumption better and more fun. The price of this tablet is around 22,000 rupees, which makes it value for money. And you even get the support of single SIM for making calls, so that you can use this device for dual purposes. You can use it as a tablet or even as a phone. If you want a more powerful Android tablet, then you can go for Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite tablet. It has a bigger 10.4-inch Full HD display. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB. It runs on Android 10, and even though it comes with an Exynos processor, but its performance is very good and it runs all your tasks very smoothly. It has 2 cameras, a 5 megapixel front facing selfie camera which is average, and a 8 megapixel primary camera which is of good quality. You also get good battery life with this tablet. It comes with a bigger 7040 mAh battery which should easily last you for up to 2 days. It also has the support of single SIM for calling purposes. The biggest advantage of this tablet is the S Pen, which is a stylus which is included with the tablet. The S Pen works very well with the tablet and make the note taking more fun and easy, and you can also explore your creative side with the use of the S Pen. The price of this tablet is around 32,000 rupees, which is slightly higher, but the S Pen makes all the difference and add more value to the tablet. It is a very good tablet at this price point, and it has a very good design and a very bright and powerful display. If you are looking for a tablet which is more closer to a laptop experience and you have a slightly higher budget, then you can go for a Windows tablet like the Microsoft Surface Go. It is a very premium looking tablet. It comes with a screen size of 10 inches and has an LED backlit display, which is a very powerful display, and the contents look very much clear and sharper. You also get a built-in kickstand with it. It comes with Windows 10 preloaded, and it will be the closest experience with a Windows laptop. It will run most of the Windows application with ease. However, its processor isn't as powerful as it should be according to its price. Also, you get an average battery life of around 4 to 5 hours with this tablet. It also has the support of Surface Pen. However, it isn't included with the tablet. You have to buy it separately along with the keyboard and the Surface Go cover. If you choose to add additional accessories, it further increases the cost of the tablet. The cost of this tablet without accessories is 38,000 rupees, which is slightly higher, but surely it is a very good tablet with very good performance and design and build. And if you choose to add all the other accessories, if you buy the complete package, the cost goes above 70,000 rupees, which in my opinion isn't worth it. The last product on our list is Apple's iPad Air 4th generation. If you are looking for a tablet which can run more heavy and complex tasks with ease, and if you are looking for a more premium tablet, then look no further than Apple's iPad Air 4th generation, which is absolutely brilliant tablet with a more modern and premium looking design. It comes with a bigger 10.9-inch Full HD LCD display, and it is a very wonderful LCD display. You get 2 internal storage options with this tablet of 64 GB and 256 GB. It runs on latest iPad OS 14 and has Apple's latest A14 Bionic chip. This is what makes this tablet so powerful and wonderful. You can run many heavy and complex tasks like photo and video editing on this tablet. You can even edit 4K videos without any slowdowns or lagging. Everything works so smoothly on this tablet. It doesn't even heat up. You get 2 cameras with this tablet, a 7 megapixel front facing selfie camera and a 12 megapixel primary camera. Both of these cameras are very good quality. You can click some wonderful pictures with these cameras and also record some great videos. The sound quality of the speakers is also very good. It has a USB-C port which allows connecting the external accessories so easy and hassle-free. It also has the support of Apple Pencil 2nd generation, which you can buy separately from the market with an additional cost of 10,000 rupees. The cost of this tablet is 55,000 rupees, which is surely at a pricier side, but everything about this tablet is so brilliant and the overall experience is so fun to use. If your budget allow it, I would definitely recommend you this tablet. That's it for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, and do let me know in the comment section down below which tablet you like the most. Please subscribe to my channel for more such tech videos and follow me on my social media handles for latest tech updates and notifications. I will meet you very soon with another tech video. Until then, take care and goodbye.